Hi, today I am going to tell you to make one dish of palak and badhi. So, before that, you just need to put some oil of 1 tablespoon in kadai, then put some jeera, then one green chili, then two cloves of garlic and onion and tomato, and do the shallow fry for about 10 minutes. So it's almost done now. In the end, you will add some body that is already fried before I cook this. Then you need to stir for 2 minutes. Then you will then you'll need to put the palak in the end. So it will be covered like this. Just spread it. That puts a lot of greens. And so here it is. It's almost done. Do not cover it. Just cook it for another 10 minutes. It will be done. So you'll just add some curd and you'll serve it. And this is a very famous dish, um, which our previous Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh used to like a lot. From her wife, actually, in a TV show, I learned this, and it's a very nice one. Thank you. That's it.